going to replace a single electric oven. This is a relatively straightforward job, providing you get a like-for-like replacement. Most single electric ovens are a standard width and will fit into a carcass width of 560mm. Most single electric ovens simply have a plug fitted to the end of a flex, but some larger double ovens will require a dedicated supply and will need hard wiring. To start off with, we need to find out where the oven is plugged into. Sometimes the oven is plugged in directly behind the oven, to either side behind the cabinet, or above or below. We need to switch that off and unplug the plug. You can now open the oven door and you will see 2 or 4 screws that hold the oven into the carcass. These screws all need removing. You can then close the door, or if you prefer you can remove the door, as it might make the oven a little bit easier to lift. You can now carefully slide the oven out from the carcass. Be aware that some ovens can be heavy, and so you may need help to remove the oven and put the new one in position. Now all you need to do is swap the plug over from the old oven to the new oven. If you don't know how to wire a plug, I'll put a link in the description to a very old video. You can now put the new oven in position and feed the flex towards the plug socket. You can then push the oven into position, ensuring the flex does not become trapped. Now you can open the oven door and fit the retaining screws. I do apologise for the camera going out of focus, but that is the downside of filming the videos without the help of a cameraman. You can now plug the oven in and switch it on. After you have set the oven clock, you will be able to use your new oven. I hope you found this video useful. If you have and you haven't done so already, please subscribe to the channel.